In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share files on Zoom Meeting. By the end, you'll confidently display a document, slide deck, image, or video so everyone can follow along in real time. First, go to Zoom. You can use the desktop app for the smoothest experience, or open your browser and head to the Zoom website to access your account and meetings. Make sure your Zoom app is up to date so the sharing controls look and behave as expected. If you plan to show a specific file, it helps to open that file on your computer now, preferably in its own window, so it's easy to select later. Next, join or start a Zoom meeting. You can enter an existing meeting or launch your own. Connect your audio and video as you normally would. Keep in mind that depending on the meeting's settings, only the host or co-hosts may be able to share. If you find the sharing option is disabled, simply ask the host to allow participant screen sharing. Now look at the bottom toolbar inside your meeting window. This bar includes your audio, video, participants, chat, and reactions along with the sharing control. If you don't see the toolbar, move your mouse or tap the screen to reveal it. On some versions, it may hide while you're in full screen, but it will appear as soon as you interact with the window. Click on Share. On many desktops, this is labeled Share Screen with a green icon. Clicking it opens the sharing selection window. Nothing is visible to others yet. This is just the place where you choose exactly what to show. Take a moment here so you pick the right source and avoid showing your entire desktop if you don't intend to. Finally, select a specific window with your file. In the selection window, you'll see thumbnails of open apps and documents. Choose the window that already has your file open, like your slides, a PDF viewer, or a folder preview of an image. If you're sharing a video or anything with audio, check the option to share your computer sound and consider optimizing for video to keep playback smooth. For readability, zoom into text-based files so participants can see clearly. Close or mute notifications before sharing to prevent pop-ups from appearing on screen. When you're ready, confirm the share, and your selected file window will be visible to everyone while the rest of your desktop stays private. That's all there is to it. Go to Zoom, join your meeting, find the bottom toolbar, click Share, and pick the window with your file. With these steps and tips, your next Zoom presentation will be clear, focused, and professional.